안녕하세요. 저는 말레이시아에서 온 곽가홍이라고 합니다. 저는 지금 한국건설기술연구원에서 근무하고 있습니다. 한국에서 외국인으로서 취직하려면 제가 겪었던 어려움은 그 경력이 없어서 그거 제일 어려웠어요. 해결하려면 먼저 한국에서 일하는 경험 무조건 하셔야 합니다. 만약에 한국어를 잘 하신다면 그것도 장점입니다.
Hello guys, nice to meet you. My name is Praxi Castillo. I come from Central America, Nicaragua. I'm currently a student from Daejeon University and I had the opportunity to attend the activity today. It was a very enriching opportunity. I enjoyed it a lot and most of the questions I had were clarified. I was able to get some information about how to change my visa from my student visa to my working visa. All this stuff was amazing. I had the opportunity to talk one-on-one with them and I want to thank them for the opportunity they gave me today. I really enjoyed it.
Well, I found it super helpful because my intention after graduating from my master's is to work here.
And it was especially helpful for me because I actually do have time, like almost 2 years, and I can prepare skill sets, improve my Korean,